Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make margarita pizza at home without an oven. First, let's prepare our delicious pizza dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, and half a teaspoon of salt. Gradually add 3/4 of a cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Knead the mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, let it rise in a warm place for 60 minutes. While your dough is rising, let's get the sauce and toppings ready. For a simple yet flavorful sauce, use 1 14.5-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, seasoned with a pinch of salt, pepper, and dried oregano. Next, slice 8 ounces of fresh mozzarella cheese into thin, even pieces. Finally, wash and gently pat dry about 1/4 of a cup of fresh basil leaves. These fresh ingredients are key to an authentic margarita pizza. Now for the exciting part, cooking without an oven. Roll out your risen dough into a 10 to 12-inch circle, aiming for about 1/4 of an inch thick. Heat a 12-inch nonstick pan over medium-high heat for about 2 minutes. Carefully place the dough in the hot pan. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes per side until the crust is beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy. This method gives you a fantastic crust. Once your crust is cooked, spread a thin layer of your tomato sauce, then evenly distribute the fresh mozzarella slices. Cover the pan and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Remove from heat, garnish generously with fresh basil leaves, and slice your homemade margarita pizza. It's truly delicious. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.